Hi there, so this is the British pound futures. So what I'm doing, I'm looking to set up a trade on this. So I'm going to try and re-engage this trend. So I've seen a zone and I'm going to hone in on this zone. See the zone in here somewhere. Let's just wrap some lines around it. So we've got that. So I'm going to check to see what contract period we're in. So we go to the CME and put in British pound. So take us to. So this is a way of checking which contract month you should be trading on the futures markets. So we can see here 6BU5. Let's see where the volume is at the moment. So let's just go into volume. Sorry, it's here. It's in September. So let's have a look at what's. If you look at the calendar, September is BPU25. What we'll do is go in here. Symbol, change it to BPU 25, so you can see here that should match with the price on the matrix of where we are on the chart. 1.3479, yeah, 1.3479. So that is the correct contract mark that we should be trading. So let's have a look again at this zone. Right, so now there is a possibility it could turn off this one, so you could do it as two separate trades, but what I'm thinking that this is where that could go. So I'm going to cover the other one slightly as well, and that's where I'm going to go in. That's how I'm going to go in on that one. So if it does hit this zone, but we've still covered this one, now we need to do our stop loss, which will be let's put that stop loss in below the whole zone. I'm just going to colour that in red. Actually, let's write this in. Long 1.3303 is our entry price, and our stop loss is, let's have a look, 1.3248. Stop loss is 0.3248. Let's have a look at this zone. So what I've done here, I've kind of combined both the zones. So let's have a look at what we can do for our target. So this is going to be, because it's kind of a day trade, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to try and be too greedy with the profit targets. So let's just draw these lines in at the moment and then we'll do it properly. So we're going to go for 3 targets. I think ultimately I'm happy with the final target being there, and then let's have a look how we'll do this one. So we'll do the first one as a 1-to-1. So let's do the maths behind this. So it's let's clear that off. 1.3303 less 1.3248, which equals, it's 55 pips. Let's add that onto the entry price. 3. So that will give us our first target, which will be 1.3358. Yeah, okay, and I think that's about a 3-to-1 there. So that's our trade setup for the British pound. on the futures market. So let's see how we get on with this. Thank you for watching.